Hey, I'm Justin Russo, and this is my 1,200 square foot apartment in Astoria. I love the 40s, I love World War II, I love classic Hollywood and old New York. I have a Casablanca photo, which is one of my favorite films of all time. And it's always been hanging, no matter where I went, in my bedroom at home, growing up, at college, and I just kept it with me. And the colors of the poster are those same four that I use throughout the apartment. So my life revolves around art and film. All the paintings on the wall are paintings that I had done in the past that I just couldn't part with and really love, especially because they're all of old Hollywood stars. Rita Hayworth, Jean Harlow, Norma Shearer, and above there, my other favorite, Greta Garbo. This corner is one of my favorites in the living room, mostly because it is a living corner. My fiddle fig, Planty, who was my first, and then we have Spidey and Henri and Greta, and over here we have Johnny, named for one of my favorite roommates, and these doors lead to the bedroom. Welcome to my room. I don't like minimalism. I like stuff, but you can also have stuff that is really neat and organized. If you take a corner, let's say, and you just want a reading nook for yourself, you get the right chair, you set up your books in a certain way, that's one piece of a whole puzzle that's completed, and you work your way out. Welcome to my studio and workspace, which is luckily an annex from my bedroom. My favorite piece that I've ever purchased is this drawing desk that was a light box from the 1930s, and I got it on eBay and shipped it from Indiana, and I think that if there's anything that I would say is a treasure, it is this desk right here. Home to me, I guess, is fully influenced by the idea of family, bringing elements of family and warmth into this space. That's home. This chair is one of the most important pieces in my entire house because it belonged to my father, and I recently lost him, and so even though it may not fit stylistically completely, it was his, and in turn it speaks to me so much, and that's why it has a very prominent spot here. The apartment itself, I think I made into my own over the course of the decade, especially within the last few years. And now that I have my boyfriend living with me, it's sort of making sure that his stuff fits in with mine and trying to blend his Tennessee background with my New York background. There are moments when I really stand back and love my home. A lot of it is sort of around like dusk. And I put on all the lamps and it gets really warm, and I'm in the living room and I'm standing in the doorway looking in, and it just hits me and I go, this is my space, and I really can't believe it.